Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm currently getting ready because I'm going to the gym, and then afterwards I'm going to the beach. I'm still thinking about it. My hair is done. If you haven't already, go watch my last vlog. It's a 24-hour maintenance vlog. I'm going to stop yapping because I need to hurry up and get ready for this gym, like for real. Oh, it's so hot. Okay guys, my makeup is done, so let's head to the gym. Ooh guys, we have chocolate chip waffles, 2 fried eggs, 2 bacon, blueberries and cream, oatmeal with banana and raspberries. We're eating with our hands today, guys. Let's get the bill per. Guys, it's so beautiful out here, but me and Kay just got done taking pictures, and now we're gonna eat some food because we're low-key hungry. Guys, I'm just watching the birds on the beach, and they're so cute. Hey guys, so we spent like an hour at the beach. It is so hot outside, guys, but we had fun. The reason why we're going back a little early is because my sister has a client to do, and it's really hot, so we don't mind at all. So that was a good hour spent at the gym. That was a good hour spent at the beach. We did have a good time. We were able to take pictures, read our books, and also like take some videos, soak up the moment or whatever. But now we're heading home. Who got forced to cook today? Me. So that's why we're heading into Walmart.
Guess what? A life without some love is not a life. Guess I gotta do the best I can with what I got. So I'm just gonna call you now, tell you how I feel. Maybe I'll get lucky somehow.
Clean the kitchen. I just finished seasoning the sweet potatoes for a little bit. I might add more seasoning after they're done baking. The oven right now is preheating, and the chicken is still being cleaned. You guys, yeah, that's still being cleaned. So I need to hurry up and start putting seasoning on that and get to cooking that.
Let go of the things.
Here's my brother's plate, my plate, and my dad's plate. I made the chicken breast, the sweet potato. I cut some avocado, cottage cheese, and lettuce.
Gonna call you now.
I don't know if the avocado was ready. Jordan, you move this.
Yo guys, so don't y'all hate when girls say or is it just me? It just be getting me so mad.
Why?
Cause y'all just be like,
You got food, good. That's what gets you mad. That's what makes you happy.
Anyway, guys, do not listen to her. Bro. See, the camera only like me. Only me. She gonna follow me everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You know what? I'm tired of them like that.
That was so good, Jordan. Finish.
I'm done.
You're not.
Now she gonna come over here and just fit it. They don't like you. They don't like me.
It's now time for bedtime, and I'm about to end this vlog right here. Thank you guys for spending the day with me. I had an awesome day. It was very eventful, and I got to spend time with my family right before I go back home. I even got to cook dinner for them, and I'm just so excited and blessed that I get to see my family once in a while. And this time I got to spend an even longer time with them. I just want to thank you guys for everything. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for all the likes, the comments, just you viewing my channel. Like, it means a lot to me. I'm like really tired right now, so that's why my energy's off. My cat scared me. Opal, do you want to say goodbye to the vlog? Opal, say goodbye to them. That's all for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys have a good night wherever in the world you guys are. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a post. Love you guys. Goodbye.